Holy smokes, that fish is big.
Nice fish.
Benny's first lake trout. Here we go.
Nice fish. That's far.
That was my first duck.
He's nibbling on it.
Oh, look at that.
The best thing ever. All right.
You know, Hans and I have been hunting together for maybe 12 years.
We've been doing this for about 6 years.
Yeah.
It's become quite the tradition.
Right. But this has kind of turned into one of our, you know, hunting and fishing trips that's pretty special. You know, because it's kind of a unique deal to come up here and catch those great big triploid trouts and shoot ducks all at the same time. We call it our duck fishing trip.
Duck fishing is a Harrod adventure, definitely.
It was cold, rainy, foggy. For me, miserable, but it wasn't windy, so.
Nibbled.
Nibbled.
I got nibbled.
We're getting the rust off right there.
Shot behind, didn't you?
Are you loaded again?
Reload.
Today, maybe shot 25 times, got 3, maybe.
Oh, they landed short.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Still there?
I don't know. Here we go. He's a good one.
Is it?
Yeah. Not yet.
Good one.
Ready, Tyler? Yeah. That's how
Nice
we do
fish.
that. He swallowed that son of a gun.
Nice fish.
What do you think, about 4 pounds?
Time to get a duck.
Duck.
Yeah, we need a duck.
One, 4, 7.
Yeah. Buffleheads.
Knuckleheads.
I thought they were going to be like 6, 7 inches. Like, yeah, it's normal trout. A little bit bigger though. It comes up. They're huge.
Oh, nice chrome fish.
Look at him go.
Whoa, peeling line. Okay, maybe we got him here.
Yeah,
Maybe.
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 Look at him. He's a good looking feller.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. That's a good looking fish right there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a nice one.
There we go.
Sweet. That's a good looking fish, huh? I think we had our most action when we first showed up. Well, then it started raining quite a bit and it got pretty slow. We probably had an hour there where we got no fish and no ducks for a while, and it was just rainy.
This started coming down pretty hard. We called her good and then started to reel in the lines and we had fish on.
The biggest
surprise, surprise.
Biggest fish of the
yeah,
day.
biggest fish of the day.
That's a big fish.
It's a big fish. Oh.
Whoa.
That is a huge one.
That's a big fish. What do you think?
Wow.
And, caught 3 fish, 3 great fish.
Heck of a fish. It was a good day.
I don't know if I believe him anyway.
Hans and I enjoy taking our friends out there.
The best thing ever. You're set back and then throw and release your finger at the same time and go straight out.
That way?
Yeah, that way. Go ahead. Perfect.
Oh, I'm hooked. I really am. I'm really glad Hans brought me up, and I'm just very thankful that I was able to do it. To me, it was a lot of fun.
One or the other. You have to be ready for multiple things. One more tap and then set the hook. Take it. A little bit harder than that, but reel it in. It's okay.
Try not to get any slack.
Pull them to the right. Pull them to the right. There you go. Pull them to the right. Oh, just a little fart. Let me get this gun out of the way. Bring them up. Wow. Yeah, or we could cut it.
Oh, it's in there pretty good.
Yeah, cut it. Am I getting bit? Are you sure?
Yeah. See there?
Yep,
Right there?
yep. Okay, here we go again. Here we go.
Got him, Hans?
Got him.
Trout.
Trout. Trout. Trout. Okay.
Good. That's a nice fish.
Yeah. Thanks. There's 2 right
That's
off the
nice.
bat.
Pretty quick. Yep.
Yeah, baby.
Nice.
How'd that feel?
Oh, great.
Yeah, that was good. Today we caught a few rainbow trout. Generally, there's goldeneye, bluebill, and they come in bunches of half dozen to a dozen at a time. And mostly pass shooting. They don't really decoy up all that well.
Yep.
Take it. Reload, reload. He doesn't want none of this. Action over for a moment.
That was exciting.
You like that?
Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah, that was my first duck on the water. Yeah, I'm excited, as you can tell. I just can't stop smiling about it. Oh yeah, can't stop smiling.
That's fun. We had to be quick on that second one.
I tried to beat it to it, I ain't gonna lie. But nice one.
Came in fast and there's more coming. What is the deal, Brant?
I don't know. Did you see how low that shot again?
Yeah. Oh, a fish. I don't know, that was weird.
Oh, duck's coming in. Nope.
A lot of shells in the water and there's no flopping ducks.
Yeah, there. A little bit of tap. He's nibbling on it.
Bit, Brant.
Yep.
Catch my fish.
Yeah, it feels like it. Little tiny thing. No, no, nothing. There he came off.
What?
We'll put it back out there.
Coming up here's the best. It's a real outdoor experience, you know. You'll be fishing, reeling in a fish, and all of a sudden ducks are coming by, and sometimes you have to put your foot on the fishing pole and hold it down and shoot the ducks while they go by.
To me, it was a great day. You know, just honestly, I cannot stop smiling about it.
I got all tangled up trying to get the gun.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah.
It's one of our traditions.
That's part of the experience. It's a lot of fun.